In our compliance drawings, we need to show our vertical cargo, but we also need to show that our wing segments are legal as well. Now, wing segments can be a little bit complicated, but on almost the last page, second to last page of the technical regulations, they've got a bunch of different examples for what's legal and what's not. But you can get an idea of how you can present this information anyway. So have a look at one of the ones which passes. So for this one example, they all have to be a minimum of 20 wide. So wings have to be a minimum of 20 wide, or 17 if it's made out of balsa wood. So 20 if it's made out of 3D printed material, 17 if it's made out of balsa. So that's the span of the wing. And then the chord has to be at least 15 mil. The thickness will vary depending, again, on what material it is. So if it's 3D printed material, then it's 1.5 mil thick. If it's balsa, it's 3.5. So we can represent this in our drawings the same way that we did our vertical cargo. So we'll head back into, Now my wings are made out of balsa, so 17 is the span and 15 is the chord. So we're going to show this exactly the same way we did the vertical cargo. I'm going to start a sketch on top of the wing. Probably need to move it down once I've created it. I'm going to draw here, and my chord is going to be 15 and my span is going to be 17 because it's balsa wood. And create that one. Now I'm going to move it around a little bit. I'll bring it forwards a touch. About here. Finish sketch. I won't. Make sure that I've got it on both sides. So I'll run a line of symmetry down the middle, and I'll just use the mirror tool to mirror these lines around this one. Okay. I'll finish sketch. Now we can extrude these. Make sure you get everything, you don't miss bits of the wing. And I can extrude this down. Now because mine is made out of balsa, it's going to be 3.5. But if yours is 3D printed, then it's be 1.5. Well, same deal, we'll create it as probably a new component. And then that component 2 can now move just down a touch, just so it's not sticking out the top. Might move it down. .25. Now, what we want to see is none of that box sticking out the outside of the car. So because that's if I hide my body, so just like the vertical cargo, I've got those wing regulations buried inside my car, and when I go to do the drawings, it'll be much easier to represent that my wings are legal. I want to do the same on the rear wings as well, and that's going to be exactly the same process.